The question is to multiply the polynomials. Alright, if we have a trinomial square, let's say we have a plus b plus c square, then that is equal to sum of squares of each term. So that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of first two terms plus 2 times of next two terms plus 2 times first and third term. So plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. That's the formula, right? So this trinomial is equal to 2x first term square, next term square, third term square, plus 2 times the first two terms, 2xy, plus next two terms, y and -1, plus 2 times first term and the last term. So that is equal to 4x squared plus y squared plus 1 plus 2 times 2x times y, that's 4xy, 2 times y times -1 minus 2y, plus 2 times 2x minus 1 minus 4x. If we rearrange this expression, that's going to be 4x squared plus 4xy plus y squared minus 4x minus 2y plus 1, right?